solution deviate from Raoult's law? Either increase or decrease, right? Either it increases or it decreases. Okay. So here, suppose, now what happened? What is according to Raoult's law? This is the, this is the graph of Raoult's law, right? So if it is positively deviate, positive deviation मतलब positively deviate करेगा, right? So positive deviation कब देखने को मिलेगा? When we will get positive deviation occurs when the interaction between AB molecule are weaker than AA or BB. Okay, so basically what happened? Positive deviation occurs when the interaction between A and B, right, molecule are weaker than AA and BB, AA or BB interaction. That means if the solute and solvent are not interacting with each other, or you can say, take an example of one polar and non-polar molecule. If both are polar, they will interact. If both are non-polar, interact. But if one is polar, one is non-polar, they will not interact. Na? So there you will not get interaction between solute and solvent. But obviously, there will be interaction between solute and solvent. Okay. So here, the interaction AB less than, you can say, AABB. This lead to increase in vapor pressure as molecule escape more readily. So now what happened? If the solute, like if both, there is no interaction between both the component A and B, right? If there is no interaction between A and B, then A is also free, B is also free. Then what happened? A also becomes vapor, B also becomes vapor, and then both of them create a vapor pressure. So obviously the vapor pressure of the solution increases. Okay, the vapor pressure of the solution increases, and the graph you will get the positive deviation. See, it increases. The graph, the line, you will get it increases. Alright, so this leads in the increase in vapor pressure as molecule escape more readily. So in positive deviation, delta H mixing is greater than 0. So if the deviation is positive, the heat absorb, right? So whenever the endothermic reaction takes place, positive deviation. Volume also increases upon mixing. So these are the condition you have to remember. In your MCQ based question, directly you will get questions like this only, right? What happened? Volume increases, when volume decreases, when heat absorbed, when heat, these are the questions you will get. Ethanol and acetone, carbon disulfide and acetone, CS2 and acetone. Non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. Okay, so now the non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. It occurs when the interaction between AB molecule are stronger than AABB interaction. Alright, so now there is a interaction between solute and solvent. तो जब negative deviation कब मिलेगा? When solute and solvent interacting more readily, right? And when both of them जब उन दोनों के बीच में interaction होगा, then obviously we have then A and B interact lesser. Okay, उनके बीच में interaction कम हो जाएगी. So what you can say that Now this lead to decrease in vapor pressure because now the solvent is not able to vaporize because the solute molecule hold them. So due to this, what happened? The volume, the graph decreases, the total vapor pressure decreases, right? So what you will see? You will see decrease in the graph. Okay, and here what happened? Exothermic, and when such thing happen, delta H mixing decreases, heat is evolved, exothermic, and volume decrease upon mixing. All right. So example, acetone, chloroform, phenol, and aniline. So sometime you will get question. Sometime you will get question directly, right? What are the examples? And sometime directly you will ask about what will be the changes in delta X, what will be the change in delta H volume mixing and all. Okay. So see, in the positive deviation, negative deviation. Positive deviation, AA, positive deviation, AB interaction less than AA, BB. Okay, and in negative deviation, AB interaction is more than AA, BB. Azeotropes in non-ideal solution. Alright, now let's talk about azeotrope in non-ideal solution. Clear? Raoult's law clear हो गया? Now let us talk about the azeotropes. Basically, azeotropes are binary mixture having the same composition in liquid and vapor phase and boil at a constant temperature. Okay, so basically azeotrope क्या होते हैं? It is a binary mixture made up of two components. So when you have a binary mixture, right, having the same composition in liquid and vapor phase, having the same composition in liquid and vapor phase, right, boil at a constant temperature. ठीक है, तो अभी क्या है कि एक ऐसा मिक्सचर जिसका कॉम्पोजिशन सेम है, राइट, एंड यू कैन बॉयल इट एट अ कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर. दे आर नॉट सेपरेटेड बाय फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन एज वेल. और ये मिक्सचर ऐसे हैं which are not separated by fractional distillation as well. Okay, so this is what we call azeotrope. Now what are the types of azeotrope? Basically azeotropes, मिनिमम एजियोट्रॉप एंड मैक्सिमम बॉइलिंग एजियोट्रॉप. एक ऐसा मिक्सचर समझ लो कि कोई भी ऐसा सोल्यूशन, एनी सोल्यूशन विच यू विल बॉयल एट अ कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर, सिंपली. ठीक है, सो नाउ वी हैव अ मिनिमम बॉइलिंग एजियोट्रॉप formed in solution showing positive deviation, right? So here minimum boiling azeotrope is what? Formed in a solution showing positive deviation. जब भी positive deviation हो रहा होगा, then you will say that there you have a minimum boiling azeotrope. Similarly, maximum boiling azeotrope you will see in the negative deviation. Okay.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.